Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everybody, checking in on natural gas, starting with the hourly. So we saw the bounce from the inventory report. Clear bearish reversal doji confirmed. And when we did the video yesterday, we could see things were getting a little bit too bearish. We're pulling back pretty significantly. We needed to form a higher low and then a higher high to progress forward. We saw a weak bounce attempt, continuation to the downside. Now the bulls had their only hope of holding this double bottom, 3257, 3262. Another little bounce attempt, still weak, and then increasing bear volume and an all-out dump. So we have a new support down at the low, certainly not strongly established at this point, 318.9. And on the daily time frame, we could see it was going to take a really strong day for the bulls to confirm this bullish reversal candlestick from yesterday because of where we were starting so much lower. And obviously we did not confirm that bullish reversal candlestick, so we're still looking for a new support level. We have this support down here of 3098. The bulls really wanted to form that higher low and then get that higher high for continuation, but that has not happened yet. We were right on the verge of a bullish MACD cross, but it's currently being negated until we can see some convincing follow through that a new higher low has been set. So the bears are still in control. We're looking down at 3098, and that's a pretty important level to hold. It's not an absolute must hold, and that's because of the weekly time frame still maintaining this higher low uptrend line, and that we could pull all the way back this coming week down to about 305 and still maintain that level. So clearly no follow through. We had that high volume bullish reversal candlestick. Bulls had high hopes for some follow through, and we got none. We got a huge bearish candlestick, closed down near the low, and the bears are in full control of natural gas on the hourly time frame, on the daily time frame, and we are now looking down at 3098. Bulls are trying to form a higher low compared to that level, and once they do, we're going to have to break this lower high pattern, which right now the resistance is up at 3347. So watching close, but clearly bears have the upper hand. You look at UNG, trying to hold that 200-day moving average, increase in bear volume, and heading down, looking at 773 as that must-hold level to form a higher low and try and turn things around. And we look at DGAS, and DGAS has some nice upside today, big-time day. And for DGAS, we're trying to see that higher low, which has formed, and now we need that higher high by a break of 492. That's going to take a lot of work and a lot of weakness in natural gas. I would just be using DGAS for day trading because obviously time decay is really hindering the bull's ability to do anything in DGAS. So I would be using it for short-term trading opportunities, and I probably wouldn't even be swinging it personally, but that's just because I don't like swinging stocks that have my hands tied when the commodity is going to continue trading all night. And usually that leads to bigger losses than I ever would allow if stop losses were in play. So that's just my personal preference. So long story short, natural gas bears are in control. 3098 key support. And we need a bullish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame to be confirmed, to be confident that our new higher low has been set. So I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.